the main coaching point to consider when using a resistance band at home is to always create tension through the muscle. And you have to remember that unlike a free weight or a machine where you can use a full range of motion, this is likely to be the mid and shortened range of motion. But that doesn't mean you kind of do this through the mid and range. You have to then go squeeze and hold longer than you would do normally to really create that stimulus with the maximum tension in the contraction point, and then lower back out as slow as you can. It will potentially lose tension around this point, in which case you'd stop there and then move back through. Because if you pass that, you're just going to relax and most likely swing and create momentum on the way back up. So it would look something like this. If you're doing bicep curls, even if you've got nothing to tether it to, you could simply put it around your foot and you're there. And then you curl, down, curl, down. So this is just keeping tension in this position at the length and range. But I want to come up and, like I say, fight through it, squeeze and hold, slowly go back down. As I say, I could fail on this and then be doing this all day long, but I'm not going to do anything to actually stimulate the muscles to work. Same as if it's a row. Again, I could do a row, sat down, here, row, stretch. It's lost tension, so I'd stop just before that point. So I'm going to stop here, not stretching right forward as I would with a normal cable station. So there, through, squeeze, right back, same as I would do in a normal movement, locking through the lats, really squeeze and hold that accentuated contraction, slowly come forwards. And again, slowly come forwards. And you can use these in all different kind of angles. So I could tether that to the door and do a high angle down. I could tether it down, stand up and pull up. Again, do bicep curls, tricep extensions, again from the door. Lots of different ways to do it. Wrap it around my knees and then I'm coming out to side. Abduction movement to create more tension through the glute medius, so I drive up in a hip thrust. I could even stand over it if I was stood up now. And then now I'm doing a deadlift. Or reversibly double leg. And I'm going to pull through. I could even shrug. I could do rowing movement, stood up that way. Lots of different ways to utilize the band. If you have no weights, this is maybe a better alternative. They're probably a little bit more readily available right now. A lot of people put the prices up on weights. Very expensive. And if you want a full range of weights to do all the different movements, for example, legs, obviously you're going to need more than a lateral raise or a bicep curl, then it's going to cost you a lot of money. These you could pick up for £50 maximum for a full set, so you could equip yourself to do full sessions at home without necessarily breaking the bank. Hopefully that helps you utilise bands a little bit better in your training whilst at home. Good luck, guys.